The vanishing point filter is one of Photoshop's most powerful tools for editing objects in perspective. Open Filter, Vanishing Point, then define the perspective plane by placing corner points on a flat surface such as a wall, road, billboard, or building. Once the bid is created, you can paste graphics, clone textures, or paint directly onto that surface while Photoshop automatically maintains the correct perspective. This is extremely useful for adding logos to walls, replacing signs, designing packaging mockups, or extending architectural details. Professional designers use Vanishing Point because it produces much more believable results than manually transforming layers